Evening students. Today we are here for discussing this topic, magnetic field of a bar magnet at an axial point. We have been given a magnet. You can see over here it is the south pole of the magnet and it is the north pole of the magnet, and we have to find the magnetic field at a point P, that is at the distance r from the center, and this is the length of the magnet, that is L from this pole and L from this pole. Total length is 2L. We can write over here as 2L, and distance of north pole from the point P is r minus L, and from the south pole is r plus L. So we would be doing this topic and we would be discussing the result regarding the magnetic field of the bar magnet at an axial point. You can easily say, if we consider here as a unit pole strength, 1 unit pole strength अगर एक unit let कर ली, that is basically a unit north pole strength. So this will get repelled by this north pole, so Fn will be acting away from point P, and this will act towards Y because south and north will attract. Now we will be coming to the result first. This force Fn, according to Coulomb's law of magnetism, this is the constant value. K the value in the which mu naught by 4 pi Qm into 1 upon distance of north pole is r minus L the whole square, and it is along direction OP along OP direction, and this is Fs, it is mu naught by 4 pi Qm into 1 r plus L the whole square. It is along PU. So these two are the value of the forces. We get. Now after finding these two forces, we will now be having the net result. Kindly see, this is the force of repulsion and this is the force of attraction, and force is inversely proportional to the square of distance. So this force will be more than this force. Why? Because the distance in north pole force is less than that of south pole, so Fn will be greater than Fs. So we have to find the magnetic field over here on the axial line. So magnetic field will be equal to what? Fn minus Fs. Now if we divide Fn and Fs by unit pole strength, we assumed over here unit pole strength, when we divide it with 1, it will become Bn minus Bs. So putting the value of the following quantities, we get the result: mu naught by 4 pi common, Qm also common, and in bracket will be r minus L the whole square minus of 1 upon r plus L the whole square. This result we will be getting, and direction will be along OP. Now when we take further the step, we have to take the LCM in the bracket portion and then we have to find the value. When we take the LCM in this particular bracket portion, B vector will be equal to mu naught by 4 pi Qm is the pole strength. Over here r plus L the whole square, r minus L the whole square in bracket, and here r square minus L square the whole square. So we will left up with mu naught by 4 pi Qm into 4RL upon r square minus L square the whole square. Now basically what is 4RL? 4RL we can divide it into two fragments so that we can make a magnetic moment over here. So that will be like here, B vector will be equal to mu naught by 4 pi 2 Qm L into 2r upon r square minus L square the whole square. So 2 qm pole strength into 2 length, that is equal to the dipole moment, that is equal to the capital M, that is the magnetic dipole moment. So we will be having result mu naught by 4 pi capital M 2r upon r square plus r square minus L square, the square. Now after this we will be having a special case. Special case, we will be consider bar magnet to be a short magnet. Special case, we will be considering bar magnet to be a short bar magnet. So we will be considering L to be less than R, so we will be having an assumption that we will be removing L square from the denominator. We will be having result mu naught by 4 pi M 2R upon R the power 4. Why? Because L square is neglected. L square is neglected. So we will be having result B is equal to mu naught 2mr upon 4r, or you can write down mu naught 2mr capital Mr upon 4 pi r cube. R cancel from the numerator, and this will act along which direction? It will act along direction OP. It will act along direction OP. So if we just have to write the vector notation, we need not to write OP over here. So it will be M vector, mu naught 2m vector upon 4 pi r cube. This is the value on the axial point. Thank you.